What's going on, everybody? In this video, gonna be doing some more stuff with the Wagon. If you guys haven't seen the last video, we did hurt the Wagon when we were ripping it in the dirt. I didn't know this, but I drove it all the way from Kyle's shop back to my place about 30 minutes, and drove it all the way from my place up to here to Kyle's house another about 30 minutes. And I didn't even know what the vibration was. I thought maybe we messed up like the axle or something stupid, or like messed up the tie rod or something stupid. But check this out, guys. So we were drifting in the dirt, right? First, when I came and looked at it, I'm like, what the heck? Because this coupler was all squished. And then I see this mount is just dangling. So I think what happened was, if you guys can see, it broke this little ear off down here where the actual mount goes. I don't know how it didn't mess up the timing belt or take anything with it. But if you guys remember, this actually happened to Charlie when he put it back together one time. And I should have known, but this, like the motor mounts in these, they made them solid. So they just took pieces of metal, plates, some circles, and just welded them to the stock mounts. Now I feel like they didn't line them up correctly. They just welded them, because this one mount, you had to take a huge pry bar just to get it to line up, and it still didn't want to line up. So I think the only reason why it broke was because the mounts were pulling on it all hard. The motor was trying to come backwards, and then we launched it. It just must have had a lot of force on it and caused it to break and snap that ear off. So if you guys just saw really quick there, I already did make a new mount for it. I didn't film it just because I'm trying to get this done. It's snowing here in Colorado, and I'm trying to go drive the Wagon today. So I went ahead and I made this bracket that goes where I believe is the old power steering or AC bracket. So I got that plate there. It comes over to here, and then this is welded also. It actually has a piece that is underneath it right here that brings it across. So it seems really sturdy. I'm gonna go drive it just to see. Has these two bolts and these big ass plates over here. I really don't know what else to do besides maybe add another mount to it, or maybe even add kind of like the nice one that goes from the track bar, like by the tranny and the block. But yeah, it sucks that it broke. Already got it fixed. Want to try and make a little drift video for you guys. Talk to Wyatt. If it continues snowing, we're gonna go rip the Wagon around in the parking lot with some snow. So should be fun. I'm actually gonna go head over to Kyle's shop right now, go hang out with them for a little bit, because my day is basically wasted. It's like 3 o'clock. I don't really have much else to do. So hopefully we don't have any more issues with motor mount stuff. Also, the giveaway is over. Thank you everybody who participated in that, and thank you everybody who supported me in that. That being said, the t-shirts are going to be cheaper now. They were only a little bit more just because of the giveaway. Same with the stickers. Stickers are going to be $5 shipped in the US, and then the t-shirts will be $25 shipped in the US. So I appreciate it a lot if you guys go and get a t-shirt. It helps me a lot. It helps fund the projects, and will help fund getting the cage into the RX-7. So link down below in the description for that. Go get yourself a t-shirt or even just a sticker. They're $5. Go get one.
Decent, Ricky. Woo. Oh,
Dude, it was not having second.
no, too much wheel speed. Not having it at all. All right, swap me seat.
So we out here doing some snow drifting at the local spot. Been getting used to it. I'm gonna let Wyatt drive it for a little bit, see if... Never let you drive the Wagon. But it's pretty fun out here.
Hell yeah. Laggy old bitch.
You gotta get it spooled up pretty decent and then just like flutter it. Easy killer. Curve. Fine. That's what I was telling you, bro. It like does not. Once you get it going, it has like this weird spot where like it just like floats and you don't know where the steering's at. What are these goofballs doing, bro? Tell me this thing died.
Typical Kyle moment.
Bro, hey, tell me it died. Bro, did it blow up?
Dude, this thing might have a knock. Dude, what? Dude, there's no oil in this thing. Now it's just on limiter. It won't stay running now.
Oh, Rod, not Kyle.
Dude.
Bro.
I mean, it's like kind of my fault, but also like they didn't put any oil in it.
Dude.
We used to bang limiter on this thing all the time back in the day.
Bro.
I'm pretty sure it had a slight knock. I'm not even joking.
Dude. We're all sitting there, we're like, bro, no, dude, you're such a rookie. We're all like trying to figure out where he's at.
Well, I'll make it back home fine.
Too bad you can't see him, I don't have the other camera.
Yo, Hayden, you think you could take us to get some oil?
Yeah, I can. I'll take you to get some oil. Good, dude, bro, what? Oh. Look at him rip this. Is it? What do you think, bro? She a ripper?
She's pretty tight, dude. I should have brought the Jeep. That'd have been so much fun.
Yeah, you should have next time. Yeah. We gotta go take Kyle to go get some oil.
Gosh darn it. I'm driving.
All right.
Let's roll.
Well, got someone else out here. Hey, get it. All right, Matt, you ready?
I'm ready.
Just don't smack limiter too much.
Smack the limiter.
No, no, don't. I mean, just be nice to it. I just fixed it.
All the limiter?
No.
Oh, sure.
Oh, dude, he's definitely gonna crash that thing.
Yeah, if you get it up on limiter, or like up there, it'll stay in it. Oh, here we go. Curb. Sending it. Oh my god.
Dude, this thing's so much fun, man.
Oh shit.
What are you worried about, bro?
Oh, look at him go! Oh shit, good. Give her the beans, bud. As he clutch kicks it. God. Let me take you for a ride. What'd you think of it?
You should probably let it cool down.
Yeah.
Is it hot?
I'm riding in the back. I'm pretty
Okay.
Because you can turn it off and turn it back on, and it comes right back.
Oh,
Shut the window.
great. What'd you think, Matt?
Yeah, that's loads of fun.
Yeah.
Were you going like around the light poles earlier? They're all running away.
Gonna let Kyle drive it. Might be a bad idea letting Kyle drive it after he just broke his mom's Civic, but you gotta have some fun, right? Ripping it. It's so much fun.
It's not my car.
Yeah, you took it way easy on it.
Well, after last time, I don't want to break it again.
Oh, it's all good. I honestly think I might have broke it clutch kicking it. Yeah. Oh, he couldn't figure eight it, or he couldn't spin it around. It's not as easy as it looks, huh?
I honestly got scared because I couldn't see anything.
Yeah, you can't see at all.
I didn't know how close I was over there.
Do you want me to brush you off?
Yeah.
All right.
Who's driving?
Kyle is. He destroyed the cone.
Stingali's Pro Drift Lessons. Oh, we're coming in hot, boy. Easy. That's a curve there.
All right, Wyatt thinks he's gonna go sideways through these cones. What a clown. Not even close. I feel like he's not gonna get it. Oh! Freaking Wyatt! Smacked the car with the cone.
I hope Hayden sees that video. He's gonna get it like I did.
Nah, he's
Nope, not a shit. Oh, easy, easy. Oh, I should have not let out right there. Yeah.
It's all good. Gotta make it look
You almost clipped the curb. Bro, you want us to push you a little? Maybe help that rod dock? I keep it under 2,500, it's fine. Well, how about we push you a little?
Sir, you been drinking tonight?
No, but I got my hot sauce.
Alright guys.
I'm out of here.
What'd you think of driving the wagon then?
It was fun, dude.
First time driving it?
Perfect beater.
Ripping in the snow?
Yeah, it's great.
Awesome.
It's a lot of fun, dude.
Yeah,
Other
it was
than
fun.
it overheats. How about you go fix a fan?
Next time you're bringing the Jeep out.
I'll bring the Jeep.
Yeah.
It's got 3 fans. It won't overheat.
Hell yeah. Maybe I'll steal one from you.
All right, sounds good.
Alright, bro.
Cool, dude. I'm
Yep.
out of here.
Night,
Bye.
night.